Hello, my little artist. Welcome to the Magical Art with Ananya. So, grab your drawing copy, pencil, and colors, and let's start drawing a duck today. So, let's get started. So, I have taught you how to draw a duck with number 2. So, if you have already been an expert in drawing that, then you should try out this new way to draw the duck. This is super simple and you will surely love it, right? So, duck is white in color, right? So, if we add a small scenery to this duck, I think it will look better, right? So, we'll add one sun and we can add a cloud, right? And we can add some grass also. So, the sun is yellow in color, clouds are white or blue, and grass is green in color definitely, and make the feet of the duck red or orange. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the Magical Art with Ananya for more such content.